Like farm eggs, man, from the store.
It's orange.
Haven't seen them that rich in a while.
They're blue and like
Brown speckle.
brown. Is that what they called? Brown speckle?
I don't know.
Those are different chickens, though.
Oh yeah, for sure. I forget which ones lay those eggs. Because we used to get blue. We used to get that bluish color. Dude, those are like
Premium.
you don't even need any cheese in those scrambled eggs.
How was your ride, dude?
Good.
Yeah. Are you ripping it?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Again.
I let it rest. We got juice.
What else we got?
We got rice. Ooh. Broccoli.
We got some.
And then I put pickles and chopped onion on mine. And I even put sour cream on it if we had enough.
What, on your beans?
Heck yeah, man. That's how I grew up eating it. That's the way to eat it. But, get out of here. One day I'm going to make you guys béarnaise sauce. If I made you béarnaise sauce.
What is that?
It's this, like, creamy, like, sauce that you dip your steak in with, like, I forget what's in it.
Butter.
It's like parsley and like all this stuff. Like, but yeah, it's tons of butter and cream and stuff. It's like so good. It's so fatty. But I grew up eating steak like that. It was awesome.
beans too.
Yeah, I bet you he's doing.
Seems like it says to stir it up. Start with 4 cups. Because that's what the conversion is like, totally different.
This is.
Feels different.
It's real elastic, like. Transfer it to this pan though, like you said. Gotta get it unstuck.
Here.
How is it?
It tastes just about like it. Try it. Good.
Can't see it. Too dark. Mm-hmm.
No, why don't you mess that up?
Who's excited?
Nobody else.
What do you think?
It's super good. Yeah.
Rick,
Amazing.
Pieces of little, does it taste like what they had? I know it looked different because of that pan. I want to get that pan still. I like that little.
Faster! Go, Emily! Go faster! Go
Faster, faster.
faster! Go faster!
Go faster! If you want to hold it, you have to pick it up.
Can I get gummy bears?
No. Get gummy bears. Don't break it. Can you get it? Ooh, they feel tickly. It's tickly. No! Get it away from me! Get it away from me! Get it away from me! Call Ramsey. Go faster! Go as fast as you can. Don't let go of the throttle.
Recording? Do we have rings for the keychains?
Get it, it's right there.
Whoops. There it goes. Butterfly. So I'll take one of these tendons right here out of this chicken. And we'll fix your knee.
What time can
I'm busy.
why would you want to?
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Well, you're being like...
Y'all done?
Yeah, but I'm gonna add some grass down here.
Let me see.
It's me riding the little bike, jumping a jump, get some air,
What?
and landing.
What? You can't tell Grandpa you're doing that?
I was doing it down there. And see.
Come here a little bit. I need to sweeten her up a little bit. That's still too salty.
What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. I see Elsa put honey and stuff all the time.
Elsa puts honey in like her tea and her coffee.
No, but that's the sweet and salty. I didn't put that much. You know, you have like a
sweet and sour chicken.
or honey chicken, or honey cashew chicken, something like that from China.
I've never had honey cashew chicken.
Whatever, you know what I mean.
And I don't like sweet and salty.
I don't,
This is my favorite meal, not yours.
it'll be fine. Don't worry about it. I'm scared to turn it over.
Why?
Because the lid's not.
Oh, Chelsea! It's gonna spill.
I know. Because it's hot, so the lid's loose.
Did I get freezer milk?
No.
Why can't I have freezer milk?
You don't really like milk. Harry Potter ain't free. Who in the world?
What are they doing?
I don't know, and they all took off really fast, and they jetted that way. Same area.
Huh. So what did that one do? Same thing?
Same, they literally all three like landed at the same time, and they all three took off exactly the same and turned and did the same exact thing.
Hmm. Dude. Watching 24 and there's
Where's notes, options, what are you doing?
At 9:30, these three helicopters landed, and we think it's in the field across this, like the main road, and then they all took off, and then it's 2 hours later, it's 11:30, and they all just came back. One of them already took off, and we're still waiting for two more. Crazy. What the heck are they doing? Here goes number 2.